Want to know why most landing pages fail to convert? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build landing pages that capture leads. Hi, my name is Matt, founding sales at Team-GPT. Let's say I'm working with Tesla to develop a landing page for their solar roof and Powerwall products. I'll show you how Team-GPT helps create a compelling copy and structure that drives conversions. I'm already in my Tesla solar landing page project with project knowledge set up. Let me walk you through what I've included in the project knowledge. In project information, I've defined our objectives for creating a high converting landing page that generates qualified leads. I've also added some example outputs. For links, I've added the landing page best practices resource. For documents, I've uploaded the Tesla solar landing page brief with detailed information about the project overview, target audience, key messaging, conversion elements, and success metrics. First, I use the prompt builder to help me develop the landing page structure. So I'm going to go to Tools, Prompt Builder. The prompt builder is a tool that helps create more effective prompts by asking me questions about my specific needs. I'll describe my task. I need to create an effective structure for Tesla's solar roof landing page that will maximize conversions. The prompt builder asks me some follow-up questions. Who is the primary target audience for this Tesla solar roof landing page? I'm going to say small businesses in California and Arizona. What specific conversion goals are you aiming for with this landing pages? I'm going to aim for direct sales. What differentiators or unique selling points of Tesla's solar roof do you want to emphasize on this landing page? I want to focus on ease of installation, generated power, freedom from the grid, and I press on continue. After answering these questions, I get a custom prompt that I'll copy and paste into my chat. Let me copy it here. If I go back to projects, I'm going to go to Tesla, Tesla landing page, and I can paste. The AI is going to generate the landing page structure. Now I'll type / with one finger to access the prompt library where I've saved several useful prompts. I'll select landing page, and here you can see that a form allows me to build a prompt. So I'm going to do two things. First of all, for product, I will add the two products that we want to pitch, Tesla solar roof and Powerwall. For the structure, we're going to copy the structure that we built above. And for the audience, we will say eco-conscious homeowners and home improvement planners. I press on continue. I press on OK. The AI generates the complete landing page content based on the structure, including headlines, body copy, call to actions, and image descriptions. Now I'll go at the bottom. I'll complete the landing page content into a page by clicking Turn to Page at the bottom. In the page editor, I can refine the formatting, adjust the layout, and make any final edits to ensure the landing page is ready for implementation. So for example, here, I can decide that I want to highlight California and Arizona. I can ask the artificial intelligence to please merge these two sections. Fantastic. Click here, replace. I have a fantastic quote here. Let me see if we can translate it in Spanish. Insert below. That way I can have English, but also a Spanish quote for Maria Gonzalez from Phoenix, Arizona. Now we have a complete conversion-focused landing page for Tesla solar roof and Powerwall products, created using Team-GPT's prompt builder and prompt library features. Thanks for watching.